Hi everyone, my name is Emily Kabaitis and I am a senior at UIC. I'm about to graduate with dual degrees in Criminology, Law and Justice and French and Francophone Studies. I'm sort of in this reflective state as I'm about to graduate, and I'm really looking back on things that I've done at UIC that UIC allowed me to do and gave me the opportunity to do that have really shaped my career goals. The first one of those things would be a study abroad experience I had in my sophomore year at UIC. What I was able to do is go on a faculty-led internship immersion program. It was 6 weeks spent in Paris, France with a bunch of other UIC students and one of our amazing professors. And I was placed at an internship site working with local law enforcement. So I was able to actually use my French background with my interest in criminology, law, and justice to sort of complete this really amazing internship over a summer spent in Paris. At the end of this internship, I wrote a research paper comparing best practices in Paris to best practices in law enforcement in Chicago. And that sort of turned me on to the idea of international law. And it really shaped me wanting to study international law in law school next fall. So I am actually a pre-law student and I have been accepted into law school next fall, and one of my goals is to complete a certificate in international studies. Now, the second thing that I'm really proud of during my time at UIC is my research that I've done here. So both of my disciplines I have merged to sort of create 2 research projects over the last 2 years in the humanities field. So UIC is actually very proudly a Research 1 institution, which means that we have an undergraduate research catalog that students can look through to find out what research is being done and how they can get involved with it. But we also have what I took advantage of, which is called LASURI, which is LASURI, and that stands for the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences Undergraduate Research Initiative. And what that is it's a program where students apply, anyone can do that, and receive money from the university to actually complete an individual or group research project. So with one of my professors, I completed a research project studying notaries and letters written by notaries in 19th century France. So again, I was able to take advantage of my French background, but also my criminal law and justice background too. So those experiences were both really formative for me and really unique to UIC and the experience that I've had here. And as I look back on my 4 years at UIC, those are the 2 things that I think will stick with me the rest of my life and that I'm so proud of. As I enter this alumni network at UIC, I hope that I can continue to represent the university and those experiences that I've had here that I'm so grateful for moving forward, and especially as I attend law school next fall.